God damn it.
Oh, that's you. Hello.
That is in fact me, yes. And he just killed someone and he's still running.
Hello. I'm pretty sure you used.
Yo, Demon Man, please. Demolition Man, please. Be a friendly homie. God, the way I forgot how. Oh, I'm so fucking dead. Oh my god, he has fucking 2 whoopers on a monkey. I hate these people so much. Oh my god, I'm so bad at Scout. Oh, I can't fucking aim it. It's like aiming a sniper, like straight up I can't do that shit. Oh, I'm so bad.
I killed them. A whole fucking team. Kill them, please. Kill
I
them.
tried your best.
Did you see that?
I budem kao, pa koji đavo sam vas sve pitala kad ćete da čutite?
Žiga, ne? U slučaju sam ubio spaj.
I think fucking assist on a single one of those, that feels bad. Don't walk back in, don't walk back in. Oh no, oh I have the wrong thing. Oh, God. Well, let's hope I don't think so.
Ne znam šta bih ti rekla.
Istino. Hajduk,
Bili-
oh.
Bile,
Okay,
bile
fair enough.
kriv.
I'm here in 3 seconds, literally. If you can just hold on for that much, I can probably get them off. I missed my crit, I'm lucky. That should be good for now, yeah?
We just
Okay,
killed
nice,
twice,
nice,
just
okay,
killed
nice.
5 of them.
You did, yeah. 'Cause
Well, most of them are bots.
Da,
Nice.
zato sam ih počeo novi. Evo ubio nas u boju, sobstvenoj bazi. They all left. Oh, we have 2 me's. It's Majima Gaming TF2.
Majima Gaming's back?
Majima Gaming TF2 is back.
Yo, Majima Gaming! He's back! Back again!
I can't.
Hey!
Question.
Hey!
Kakvi debili.
Will I get a single kill like this? That's the question.
Oh, look at how cool my medic is.
I deserve thank you.
Odustani, Nemanja, nikad nećeš pobjediti. Oh, fuck.
GG's.
Kako će me backstabuje?
Lepa glavica, nema Johnny, pogledaj mene.
Ko si ti?
Nice, nice. Fuck now, I don't care.
I just do not feel like playing medic right now, that's about it.
Opet se smeje, sam vidim kako, sam vidim scout.